Alright, we're going to go out to my lawnmowers that I'm selling. I've got 3 push mowers. I have 2 Meyer push mowers. This one's a 3.5 automatic choke, automatic throttle. Runs great. The other one is a 3.75. Got a primer ball on it. Just have some surface rust on this one. But other than that, it's solid. This one here is a Rally 20-inch push mower. It's got a 3.75 like the Myers one over here. This one also has a primer ball. They all run great. I've done tune-ups, cleaned out the carburetors, fuel lines. This one here has somewhat newer tires. But they all run great. Asking 75 bucks a piece. That's pretty reasonable. You can't buy a great running lawnmower that cuts and doesn't have anything wrong with it for 75 bucks. So I think that seems pretty fair. The Rally push mower over here actually has a thing to put a bag. If you buy one, you can buy one and then put it on. I'll fire up the Rally push mower so you can hear it run. Just gotta prime it 3 times. And it's like 20 degrees out here. Starts on the first pull every time. Alright, so that was that one. Now I'm going to fire up the Meyer one here. Just got to prime it 3 times. Starts every time. Okay, that was that one. Now I'm going to fire up this one. This one here doesn't have a primer ball. It has automatic choke. All you got to do is pull the rope to prime it. But I've got this one so cleaned out and I tweaked with a screw on it. It starts on the first pull every time. You don't need to sit and pull it 50 times to prime it. First pull. Runs great. I didn't get to didn't really clean up these Meyer ones. This one's not that bad. This one here, this is the Rally. I cleaned this one all up and sharpened the blade. So this one's ready to rock and roll. That one, those 2 you don't really need to clean. It just helps. You could probably rinse them off in the spring. That one I used a putty knife and rinsed it down and then used a putty knife, scraped all the old grass off. But this one and this one both have throttles on them. You got to all the way down to start. This one's the same way. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. But I just figured I had these laying around at our campground, so I figured I'd, they said I could buy them off them and use them or fix them up, so none of them ran, so I got them all working again, cleaned out the motors and everything. So if you want one or want all of them or whatever, just send me an email or call me. I'll put my number and my email on the posting here. Alright, thanks.